Hello students and welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. Let's begin an online session of Standard 6 Mathematics with your teacher Mrs. Vandana Ghagre. Dear students, today in the third unit integers, we will see the division of the integers and the properties of division of integers. We have studied in the previous session of this lesson in the lesson integer representation of integers on the integer number line, absolute value of integers, operation on the integers, addition, subtraction, multiplication and its properties also. And today we will see the last operation, that is division operation, and the properties of division of integers. Now we are aware, while doing the division of integers, with the division, multiplication is also related, because we can write the multiplication fact as in two different way as a division fact. See here, 4 multiplied by 8 equals to 32. This is the multiplication fact. Now the same number we are using to write in the division. So 32 divided by 8 equals to 4, or 32 divided by 4 equals to 8. Nothing but the same. In the same way, if you will take the negative numbers, because now we are talking about the integers, and when we are talking about the integers, negative numbers are always there. So minus 3 into minus 9 equals to 27. So when you divide this 27 by minus 9, you will get minus 3. Now why minus 3? See here, only one negative sign is there, so the sign is as it is in the quotient. Now if you divide 27 by minus 3, then the answer is minus 9. Means 9 3s are 27, that is 9, and the negative sign is one time, so it is 1. Now division of the integers with the like sign means both plus or both minus. So here we will divide plus 20 by plus 5. So plus 20 and plus 5 are nothing but simple number 20 and 5. Okay. So the answer is 20 divided by 5 equals to 4. See here, plus plus and plus. Now we will divide minus 12 by minus 3. So minus 12 divided by minus 3 equals to 4. See again here, both the like terms are there, both the numbers are having the same sign, that is negative, and therefore it gets cancelled and the sign becomes positive. So whenever, like in multiplication also, we have seen the same sign convention. When the two numbers are having the same sign, it just get cancelled, and in the answer we have to write the positive sign. So to divide the two integers of like sign, we divide their absolute values and prefix plus sign. Again I will repeat, when negative numbers are there, two numbers or two positive numbers, their sign is always positive. And one more thing you have to remind, dear students, division is nothing but the inverse process of multiplication. Okay, so both the operations are inverse operations of each other. Now division of integers with unlike term means one is positive, one is negative, or one is negative, one is positive. So here we will divide 6 by minus 3. So 6 divided by minus 3 equals to what? Minus 2. See here, sign is opposite sign, one is plus, one is minus. So in the answer we have to write the negative sign. Now divide 75 by minus 15. Again here 15 5s are 75. The number is 5. But when you think about the sign, both the numbers are having the opposite sign. So the answer is contain negative sign. So to divide two integers of opposite sign, we divide their absolute values and prefix minus sign. Same sign plus, different sign minus. So this you have to remember and remind it. Properties of division. Properties of division. First property. The quotient of the division is not always an integer. Means whenever we divide the integers, not necessary that its quotient means its answer is always an integer. See here some example. In some example we will get integer. In some example we will not get integer. We will get the fraction. See, 6 divided by minus 2. What is its answer? Just now we have studied. Its answer is minus 3. And minus 3 is an integer. Okay. Now when you divide 2 by minus 3, no division possible. So we will write that number simply as 2 divided by minus 3. But tell me dear students, 2 divided by minus 3 is integer? No, it is not an integer. And therefore, the quotient of the division may or may not be the integer. See the third question. Minus 6 divided by minus 4. Negative sign gets cancelled. So answer is positive. And the answer is what? 3 by 2. Again it is not an integer. Now property 2. When an integer that is non-zero is divided by the same integer, the quotient is 1. And this we are aware. Means when we divide the same integers with the same integer, the answer is what? 1. How? 5 divided by 5? Answer is 1. 10 divided by 10? Answer is 1. Minus 3 divided by minus 3? Answer is 1. So this is the property 2. Now property 3. When an integer is divided by 1, the quotient is the same integer. Means 5 divided by 1? Answer is 5. 6 divided by 1? Answer is 6. Minus 10 divided by 1? Answer is minus 10. Similarly here the problems given are minus 7 divided by 1? Answer is minus 7. And 3 divided by 1 means answer is 3. Property 4. 0 divided by any integer non-zero is 0. Means when you divide 0 with any integer, you can write any integer in the denominator, its answer is 0. You write 0 upon 100, answer is 0. You write 0 upon minus 1000, answer is 0. Here the examples, 0 divided by minus 9 equals to 0 and 0 divided by plus 3 equals to 0. So when you divide 0 by any integer, its answer is always 0. So dear students, today we have learnt about the division of integers and properties of division of integer. So I hope you understand the concept, and here is a small assignment for you so that you can use your concept understanding and solve this assignment. So you have to solve this assignment. It's a very easy. You have to write here the proper sign, means only you have to write the sign. And what is the sign convention in division? Same sign plus different sign minus. That simply only you have to understand. Same sign means plus and opposite sign means minus. So in the first only you have to write the sign. In the second you have to write the sign and also the quotient. And in the third, based on the property, you have to write the numbers. So I hope you will complete all the assignment quickly and send me the photo your assignment. I just want to show, and I am eager to show that copies which is completed by you. Thank you dear students. Have a nice day.